Hi, this is Darla Andrew from Rent Portland Homes, and I'm out here at 2636 26th Avenue in Forest Grove, and we have two brand new 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath homes, and I'm going to take you for a tour. See, this home has beautiful laminate floors. Right when you walk in, you have a guest bathroom, half bath here. It's just really nice. Walk out here to the living room. Lots of windows, gas fireplace, and great dining room area, and then of course the kitchen. By the way, there will be a brand new refrigerator placed right there. So that's coming. Great kitchen though, I love all the tile backsplash. Then I'll take you out here to the yard, which has this wonderful turf now. So little maintenance, very little maintenance on this yard. Fully fenced rear yard, which is great. And then you end up with this great concreted patio. Very nice with your sliders that go right back into the house. Really nice open floor plan. Back here to the living room. Again, the kitchen. Great big island. Again, this has a two-car garage, a true two-car garage. And now I'm going to take you upstairs, which stairs has carpet. And again, there's 4 bedrooms. You have a great laundry room, and this home does come with a washer and dryer that'll be delivered. And then kind of an oversized bedroom here, which is great. You got a closet right there. Take you down the hall to the hall bathroom. And then, of course, we have 3 bedrooms over here. Large windows, great views. And then, of course, this is the master, so we walk right into the master bath. Has the his and her sinks. And then, of course, great, nice soaker tub. Love it. Shower. And then a beautiful walk-in closet. This home is really put together nicely. Again, if you would like to apply to this home, you can go to rentportlandhomes.com. Again, rentportlandhomes.com. And we will end with another front view of the property. Walk out. Again, this is a brand new construction subdivision. Kind of get a view of the area.